Real estate agents make a ton of money. Well, at least that's what headlines and reality TV may lead you to believe. But let's talk numbers. Did you know that the average real estate agent in the US handles only about 5 to 10 transactions a year? Yep, that's right, not as many as most think. And the average real estate agent in the US earns between $40,000 and $50,000 a year. Hardly the kind of money that warrants accusations of being overpaid. And that's gross income. Out of that, we have to pay for expenses such as licensing, insurance, training, marketing, signs, open houses, photography, and more. Oh, and benefits? What are those? If we want a day off, we want healthcare, retirement savings, disability, life insurance, that's all out of pocket. But there's more to it. Real estate isn't a 9-to-5 job. It's often on weekends, late nights, being on call pretty much all the time. And we only get paid when a real estate deal closes. What's worse is the failure rate for real estate agents is an astonishing 87% within the first 5 years. So if you happen to know an agent who's making a ton of money, know that they likely put in a ton of time and money to get where they are now. And maybe you should just buy them a cup of coffee. They worked hard to know a ton about creating and growing a business. You may be able to learn something new from them. So, do real estate agents make too much? Considering the hours, the risk, and the sheer dedication it takes, I'd say we earn every penny.